I have a face filter on, that's why I look snatched as hell right now. Welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who don't know who the fuck I am, I'm Jules, I live in New York City, and I'm a stylist. And yes, I do have the big red boots on loan. I usually don't collect the very trendy, expensive items. Let's talk about how I even got these. During Fashion Week, the craziest week of my life. I usually style a show, I was working for Spotify. Then my client actually hit me up the morning of the show and was like, I have a shoot in X amount of hours, so God bless my assistants. They came to my rescue and they helped with that shoot, but I styled her for a MSCHF boot shoot and she let me borrow her MSCHF boots. I thought it would be fun to give you guys a full in-depth review of the boot and fun ways to style them, whether that be maximalist or minimalist. And for me, it was such a statement. It was honestly kind of overwhelming. I was like, what am I even gonna do with these? This feels like a lot of pressure. Whether you're into fashion or not, you've probably seen these bad boys. And then people in my dad's office ask me if I've had them. I was like, this has become a world phenomenon. Like, I'm from North Carolina. What the fuck is going on? Maybe you've even seen them on my Instagram. MSCHF officially released them with the certified baddie, Sarah Schneider. Then MSCHF tapped into every single industry, distributing the boots to some of the biggest influencers. It created a lot of hype. Everyone was just wondering, like, how did you get these? Some people weren't even that large, but people were borrowing them like me. It got to the point where the boots quite literally control Instagram right now. It's crazy. I've seen people editing pictures of the boots onto their feet to try to manipulate the algorithm, and it kind of worked. I've gotten some of the most awesome opportunities with these boots. Shooting with one of my favorite photographers. I never thought I would be the one getting shot. I thought I would be maybe styling it. And now I'm actually doing a music video where I'm gonna be wearing the boot. I've been in one before, but not with these crazy ass boots. These boots just manifested greatness for me. I like to shop on Essence, secondhand, a lot on Depop. That's like my main thing. When I got these, I was like, okay, I have to just like use these for the content and then boop, goodbye. But I think they're really cool. I'm fessing up to it that like, I don't think I would buy these normally just for everyday wear. I think if I had a pair though, for free, that fit me, I would probably wear them every day. Now that we've got all that covered, let's talk about the boots. I like to preface this boot situation by letting you guys know, these are actually 4 sizes too small for me. They're a women's 5 because they're my clients, and I'm an 8.5, 9. They're not the most comfortable, but with that being said, they are much more comfortable than the typical shoe that would be too small. The boots are entirely made of TPU rubber, which is technically a plastic and stands for thermoplastic polyurethane. Thermoplastic polyurethane. This is what makes them super comfortable. But since the EVA foam is included, it gives it a very bouncy, comfortable feel. So if the boot was entirely made out of this, I don't think it would be comfortable at all. It would feel like a rain boot. The bottom is ribbed like a toy. When I look at the bottom, I think of like Woody's shoes. Were they even ribbed? Probably not. Oh, it was probably Buzz Lightyear. A lot more people have been hating on these, and honestly, I don't understand why. The brand is a good brand. They look just like Astro Boy boots. It's not really harming anyone. I think fashion is supposed to be controversial and polarizing to an extent, but I think it kind of makes it fun. Next thing you know, something else even crazier is gonna come out. They are definitely extremely maximalist and kitschy in the best way possible. So I kind of want to just show you guys different ways of styling them. Even if they aren't your style, it's possible to still mix them with your wardrobe. For me, there's like 3 different ways I could go with this. I can go full maximalist, absolutely insane. Basically every single piece is a statement piece, just all balances out. My first shoot that I did in these, which was literally just on my 0.5 iPhone on a roof where I literally almost died. So fun. I went completely futuristic, a hysteric glamour top, a custom cargo skirt I actually had made that I wear backwards just because it's so long. I look like a sexy captain of a spaceship. I also kind of went the punk goth route, a Vivienne Westwood top layered over a black long sleeve top and this cute little mini skirt. Then we also had styled it with a big red APC jacket. My Instagram and TikTok posts with the boots have definitely been some of my most viral posts. Outfit 1 out of 10. Anyone who bought these definitely would have been eating cheese sandwiches at Firefest. Why do they spell Firefest like fire? All people with those shoes deserve COVID plus Ebola. Horribles! Is this dog okay? Like, he looks long. SMH, unfucking believable. You know what a psych experiment is? And they wonder why our gov has no respect for us. Easily manipulated and influenced. I think people nowadays will wear anything if the right celebrity endorses it. Okay, fair, but your username is quite literally billionaire. I'm assuming he bought them after I made the video. Welcome to another episode where we make the world wear trash. I hate these boots and the slapping noise makes it so much worse, but you styled them so well. I swear the only person who actually styled these boots right. First step, take them off. Screaming, how do these even feel inside? And I replied, like I'm stepping on someone's ovaries. So yeah, I think there's so many different ways you can style them. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any other ideas on what I could do with these before I have to send them back. They're so cute. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I hope you get your MSCHF boots in the mail if you order them. Bye.